Have you ever wondered why a paper airplane takes longer to land than a rock launched in the same direction and in the same force? Or in tumbang preso, do you have to use more force to throw the larger chinelas than the smaller one? To answer your question, join us on our Newton to Win It, as we explain the physics concepts behind each game, including graphs of motion, freely falling bodies, yank knee, drug ball, and frequent flyer. In this video, we will be doing 5 activities with 4 players. So, without further ado, let's Newton to Win It.
In order to complete our first challenge, we'll be using the Pascal motion sensor, which senses motion, position, velocity, and acceleration on your computer real time as you move it. One member should be placed in front of the motion detector. Thus, let us start gathering data while revolving the card on the table and observing the changes in the position and velocity graphs.
For our second event, we'll do free-falling bodies, in which we'll draw objects like marbles next to the yardstick, one at a time, while monitoring their drop. We will determine how quickly the object fell using the footage and its timestamps.
In our third challenge, we will be playing Yank Knee. To do this, we stack cups on top of each other with paper slips in between each of them. Then starting from the top, try to yank each paper without the cup falling and destroying your tower. The cup has to fall on another cup, then another cup, then another cup, until there is no more papers left. In this activity, we use wooden blocks and plastic cups to see which object was the easiest to yank.
For our third match, we'll play a game of jug ball. The goal of this game is to shoot the ping pong ball inside the water gallon. But the tricky part of this game is that we have to place the ping pong ball on top of 2-meter sticks with the inside of it elevated. Then, we will blow the ball until it moves upward.
Final test, we'll pretend to be frequent travelers. The player's objective in this game is to fly the paper airplane and land it on the table across from them. Only one paper airplane should be discarded at a time.
The field of research known as physics studies the interactions between the underlying elements of the planet and the structure of matter. Everything in physical existence, from the tiniest subatommic particles to the entire universe, is studied in this field. But most people are unaware that physics actually applies to every aspect of our daily life, not only to games or academic courses. Physics enhances our quality of life by giving us the fundamental knowledge needed to create new tools and methods for all kinds of applications. We can move and go about our day thanks to our movements. It enables us to determine how much force to use to accelerate or stop an item. From hitting a ball to pushing heavier objects, we are using physics. This is Group 4 saying physics is experience.